In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix can't buy Robux in Roblox. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, let's say you want to try and buy some Robux, you got some budget for that. On the top right on the application, you're going to see that Robux icon, and as you can see, my balance is currently 0 Robux. But let's say you're trying to buy some Robux and all of it's grayed out. It's not letting you, even use a payment method or anything like that. That could be really frustrating. So what you could go ahead and do is firstly close out of the Roblox application, then go over to your settings like so. Scroll down until you see the screen time option, which is under focus. Click on that. Scroll down again, and you're going to see content and privacy restrictions. That's where you want to go. Then you're going to see iTunes and App Store purchases as a second option. So click on that. And then what you want to go ahead and do is you're going to see in-app purchases. So you want to make sure that it's on allow. If it's on don't allow, whenever you try and buy a Robux or anything like that, it's not going to let you. So what you want to do is put it on allow, close out of this. Then you can go ahead and open up Roblox again, go back to the Robux section, and it's going to let you buy as many as you want, providing you have the funds for it. And it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.